Hi y'all, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first YouTube video. My name is Jacqueline and my channel is all about working with pre-cut fabric. I'm going to show you how I take fabric and cut it down to pre-cut fabric pieces to make a specific block. The product that I am going to be using is called AccuQuilt Go Cube Die System, and this is what it looks like. This is the 12-inch block. It comes in 8 different sizes: 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, and 16-inch block. And I will be making all 8 sizes. I will also be preparing kits for my Etsy shop and for my website. That is where you can go and make your purchase. It's on my Etsy shop and my online website. The kits will come in 12, 16, 24, and 30 blocks, depending on the quilt pattern. I do have 3 blocks in my Etsy shop right now that you can go and take a look at. I will be adding more blocks every week. And in my next video, I will demonstrate how I use the die system and how I cut out the fabric pieces for a specific block. I will also be piecing together a scrappy, soft 2-star block. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye y'all.